What's up everybody, and welcome back. In today's video I have a new experience that I have never had before. Curious if any of you guys have ever experienced something like this. I just got back from my rally and maybe I sent it a little too hard. I'm not for sure. I've never seen my license plate cover melted. All four tabs came off. The Corvette logo melted, orange, paint peeling, paint is even cracked, as well as this logo. That is pretty crazy. You know, I know these cars get hot, especially when you're driving pretty fast, but never ever did I think they would get that hot. So thankfully these logos and stuff are not that expensive. I'm actually, once I take the Corvette one off, I'm not going to replace it. It's just a hassle to clean, and there's no sense in having two Corvette logos. But we might have to be done with that license plate cover, that's for sure. I certainly don't want to ticket because you can't see. But if you guys have had any problems like this before, please let me know what you guys think it could be. Maybe it's a combination of the car running hard for a long time. Maybe it's something else. My car is due an oil change, so I don't think my car is running lean or too hot, but I do get my car's oil changed every 3,000 miles, and I've been pretty religious on that. But let me know what you guys think. Did I send it too hard? I thought this was pretty crazy. I just took the frame off and it bent the frame. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. Boy, cars get hot, don't they?